Hi everyone, this video will show you the actual experimental steps and data collected for the qualitative analysis for Anions lab. Your instructor may ask you questions related to the procedure or data shown in the video. As you're going through the video, it is useful to have the lab procedure and lab report with you so you can write down all the relevant observations. In this experiment, we will conduct the test for each anion with two samples. The first sample is a positive control, which contains the anion and should give the result that we expect to see. The second sample is an unknown, which may or may not contain the anion that is being tested. The goal is to compare the results of the two tests for each anion and determine whether a particular anion is present in the unknown. We start with the test for the carbonate ion. In the positive control test tube, we obtain 1 milliliter of sodium carbonate. We then add 6 molar hydrochloric acid and see the result shown here. We repeat the addition of 6 molar hydrochloric acid to 1 milliliter of the unknown solution in a new test tube. The second test is to detect the presence of sulfate ion. Here we mix sodium sulfate with 6 molar hydrochloric acid, then add a couple of drops of barium chloride. The positive control result is shown here, and addition of barium chloride to the unknown solution is shown here. The third anion is phosphate. In the positive control, we mix half a molar sodium hydrogen phosphate with 6 molar nitric acid, and then add half molar ammonium molybdate. We then repeat the addition of nitric acid and ammonium molybdate to an unknown sample. Heating causes the reaction to occur to a larger extent when the anion is present. So here we put the test tube containing the unknown test in a hot water bath. The next anion is thiocyanate. For the control, we mix the ion with acetic acid and then add iron 3 nitrate. We repeat the experiment by adding acetic acid and iron 3 nitrate to an unknown sample with the result shown here. Our fifth anion is chloride. For the control, we mix sodium chloride with 6 molar nitric acid, then add drops of silver nitrate as shown here. In another test tube, we mix the unknown sample with 6 molar nitric acid and 2 to 3 drops of silver nitrate with the result shown here. The last test is for the nitrate ion. For the control, we mix half a molar sodium nitrate with 6 molar sodium hydroxide, followed by addition of a few granules of aluminum metal. To help the reaction to occur, we put the test tube in a hot water bath. The product of the reduction of nitrate is detected using a moistened red litmus paper. We repeat the test with 1 milliliter of the unknown sample, sodium hydroxide, and aluminum metal, followed by heating. The resulting test with the litmus paper is shown here. This is the end of the experiment. Thank you for watching.